They just pulled up on my guys. Crazy as hell. Damn, why they on my mans like that though?
My back is against the wall. More
Gang, what it is? Mook and the V back with another video, man. What's going on with you, family? We out here making moves today. We moving quickly. I'm a little bit late, like always. Alright, gang, man. I done got Sitchy. As y'all see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm on my way to the I think this is Srt-Life's first pull up and park in Chicago, man. I think they just got a Chicago chapter started. If you don't know what Srt-Life Car Club is, man, you can Google them, you can look them up all over Instagram, man. They got chapters in Memphis, Arkansas, Texas, now Chicago. I'm sure a couple other places that I don't know about. But I forgot to grab my towel, dang. But yeah, man, a couple people that you like, notable people that you would know. Swervo 2 times. I'm on my way to the car wash right now. Swervo 2 times. Rail to Rail. Guap 17, I think his name is, on Instagram. But yeah, man, just a few people. Man, I gotta pay for this car wash real quick. Give me a quick second, man. I'm gonna pick the camera right back up. Alright, gang, so I'm Sitchy, man. We moving around. And I gotta put my seatbelt on again. God damn. Alright, man. So on my way to the car meet out here in Broadview, Illinois. Right outside, one of the suburbs right outside of Chicago, not too far from me. Should be lit, man. Like I said, it's Srt-Life first event out here, man. It's a new chapter. If I were, I'm probably not gonna join no car clubs, but you know, it's one of them car clubs that I rock with. So you know, I'm always come out and show love. You know, big love to the guys that I know in the car club and the ones, you know, that I'm gonna meet in the future or whatever. You know, but we going out here, man. It's hot out here, man. It's 80 degrees out here in the Midwest. You know what I'm saying? Chi-town, Chicagoland area, and man, it's feeling good. You see the baldy out, man. Sunglasses on, man. We cruising. I know a lot of people is asking about the Mamba, man. We just gonna say it's under the knife right now, man. It will make a return. I can promise you that. I can promise you it will make a return. But you know, it's a big move. I'm not gonna let anybody rush me on it. I want to make the right move. It's a big move, and we coming back stronger. You know what I mean? With that being said, man, we about to have ourselves a good old time out here, man. So I'm gonna pick the camera up in a little bit when I get a little closer to the area. Gang. Look like the law was on their ass. It's following their ass.
They turned.
What's going on, gang, man? Y'all know what time it is. Y'all see that thing in the back, so y'all know what time it is, man. We on our Mopar finding shit today. We ain't in the Mopar, y'all know, but you know, we gonna keep up with the gang today, man. I see the green thing right here, man. My man here in the 345 RT joint. They just pulled up on my guys, crazy as hell. Damn, why they on my mans like that though? See, gang, they tripping out here, man. I don't know what the situation is. We just sitting at the gas station here, man, and out of nowhere the cops just pulled up, man. Got my boys all hemmed up over here. I don't know what's up. We gotta make sure everything copacetic out here. Y'all know how it is. Y'all see the situation though. Not gonna lie, y'all, that was real crazy right there, man.
Take the next right.
We was literally chilling, and them boys just came over there and surrounded the squad. You know what? If I wasn't in the Continental, if I was in the Mopar, they definitely would have been on my tail too. Definitely would have been on my tail, but they let us go, or whatever, man. We riding over here now, getting ready to pull up, I guess.
Your destination is on the right.
Yes, sir. Oh, did y'all just see how they just pulled up on us?
Yeah, I seen how long pulled up.
Boy, they just blocked us in crazy as hell. I ain't know what was going on. Right there at the gas station, right after y'all pulled off, bro. I mean, less than 2 seconds, bro. On location, man. I ain't seen the Mopar Finest boys pull up yet, but I'm sure they right around the corner, man. The law let them go. We got a couple of nice cars out here, though, so you know I gotta show y'all what it is. I gotta get some more cards too. You crazy? Hey, is you crazy? You know we gotta bring the cards out. I'll see how we coming out here. Let me show y'all, matter of fact. Ugh. Oh yeah, you know we going straight to this joint right here. You know we going straight to this joint right here. This motherfucker so cold. Yes, sir. Woo. Wide body joint, 392. See up underneath there. Inside of that jump. Woo. Oh yeah. Go ahead and check his IG out, man. I'll see what time it is. Is you right here, big dog? This joint crazy. Got cars out here though. We got cars out here, gang. Got the Elite 3 car club out here. Y'all done seen this joint right here everywhere. R.I.P. to the man Cole. R.I.P. to the king. Rap crazy. Got the Thanos Jeep over here coming along. Y'all see the wrap. SRT boys out here. Y'all see Jeep gang crazy. Jeep gang crazy. Boy, I missed the Mamba, let me tell you. I see how we coming, man. Juicy Box 722. What's going on with you, little bro? Say something to the camera, man. Yes, sir. Y'all see how we coming out here, man.
Camera off, man.
Man, what's going on with you, bro? How you feeling?
How you feeling, boy?
Y'all see how we coming out here, man. AB and that thing.
Man,
You know we
it's been
make,
a while, man.
man. You know it's a little bit. I'm riding around in the Lincoln, man. It's. How you doing, brother? It's smooth, bro, but it ain't like, you know what I'm saying.
it ain't like that
It ain't that Hemi, bro. It's not the Hemi. Hey, look, I don't care what nobody say. Ain't nothing like riding in these Mopars, man.
It's so much fun.
Man, I'm engine hunting right now, bro.
Yeah.
And I blew my engine when we was on our way to Dallas. Yup. Yeah, man. So I don't wanna.
We sure shot on that motherfucking road.
Man, I appreciate all y'all for that, man. That's real love, bro. I appreciate all y'all for that shit, man.
Still pulled up like
Well, yeah, you still can.
Oh yeah,
That was strong,
oh yeah,
bro.
for
That was
sure,
strong
bro.
for you to still make the shit.
Yes, sir.
A regular nigga would just say, fuck that, I'm going home.
Hey,
I'm done with this
hey,
shit.
not a regular nigga.
Feel me?
Hell yeah. No, so they want like 10 bands just to get another 392. I gotta come back stronger, bro. I'm looking for like a Forge 426 or something like that. I gotta get 600 or better. I can't come back with the same amount, bro. Let me go look at this joint in person though.
Man, I'm about to go ahead and check these motherfuckers out.
Yeah, I'm making my way.
I think I need to start recording right now.
Yeah, you gotta get you something. Oh yeah. Hey, last time y'all seen my man, he was in that orange crush thing, right? This what we in now. This what we in now, though. You see what that hard work do. You see that emblem? That's new shit right there, man. This joint clean. Big Hellcat. Big Hellcat. 4Gs. What them is? 24s, 26s? 4s on that joint. That's a red thing now. Man, yeah, I feel you on that. That's how I was feeling. You know, cause my Jeep got a few things done to it, but I ain't touched the wheels. But man, that shit look good. This you right here? Oh yeah. You do YouTube too, bro?
Hell no.
No?
That's right. I like the motherfuckers.
Yeah, I hear
out
you.
here with you.
Yeah, I hear you. Your IG, anything you want to shout out?
Man, no, I don't do none of
None of it. I feel you. I ain't mad at it. Still riding though. Whenever you ready.
Hey, that's what the motherfuckers keep saying, man. You playing around.
Hey, when you ready, you gonna be in enough videos to where people gonna start being like, hey, it's time, bro.
Bullshit.
It's time.
No problem.
Yeah. You got IG, anything you want to shout out, bro?
Shit, I don't know my motherfucking
You say you don't know it?
shit, Rocky Santiago 100.
There we go. Rocky Santiago. Yes, sir. This joint right here is a unique color, bro. I don't think I ever seen one this color. Is that a wrap or is that paint? That's paint? Oh yeah, that joint crazy. Can y'all see the sparkles in that joint?
I don't even know what green you call this motherfucker.
Y'all see it? TA thing. The Mopar Finest boys just pulled in. Work my way around over here. What's going on, bro? Holla at my boys over here.
Trying to get into it. I'm thinking about doing it. Yeah.
How you feeling, bro?
Yeah. Mook, man. Can you show out your channel, man?
Man, Mook in the V, man. Y'all already know what time it is, man. One of the hottest ones out here. One of the hardest working ones out here, bro. You know what I mean? Go check the channel out, man. You like racing, you like Mopars, you like DIY car videos. Anything you like, man, I'm doing it, man. Mook in the V. Check me out. Appreciate you, bro.
Sure, man. Go support my boy, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Your boy be in that same thing, man. I'm out here supporting Srt-Life, man. They little event up in Broadview, man. Come check it down if y'all can, man. Love it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mook in the V, man. Y'all already know, man. If y'all ain't seen me yet, here I am, man. Go ahead, check the channel out. Mook in the V, man. Instagram and YouTube. We out here making moves 2021, man. Shout out Srt-Life. Gang. I ain't even know you was Srt-Life, bro. I seen it on your car. Yeah. Oh. Okay, so you just got in there. Okay. Yeah, cause I know the chapters out of like Memphis and Dallas and shit. When they open this up?
Shit, it's been probably like about, I want to say like the past shit.
On the camera. Y'all see them big 4Gs right there, man. It's a lituation out here, man. Scat Pack 392. Yes, sir. Y'all see what time it is. Srt-Life. Big SRT. It's crazy.
My wig to the curb, so I swerve and roll out. To pick up the 666 down, and pop out the burn, and pop out the jump out. About to make out so high, now coming to snipe with 4 grenades and a gauge. I'ma play with the love of all of the grave. We spotted the place and quickly burned it. Pulled up to the living room, out of the car and started.
That's you right here, bro?
That's my man right here.
That's you right here?
Oh, right here. There you go.
Which one? This guy right here?
Right here.
Hey, bro, this joint crazy, man. Check me out on the channel, bro. I'm gonna have this motherfucker on there for sure. Yes, sir. Love. Look at that money, man. That money, man. It's still the same, man. Y'all see what time it is, man. Summertime shot shit, man. It's a fucking lituation out here, gang. It's a lituation out here, man. We partying, we chilling, we feeling good. It's warm, gang shit, man. We done some work to this joint since the last time y'all done seen this. Ugh. Red and tasty. The little neck pillow in there, man. Bro not playing. Bro is not playing. I'll see how we coming. This shit exciting, y'all. This shit's exciting, y'all. Red Eye Bill, man. Y'all go follow my man on IG. 797. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I knew it. Don't do that shit, Rob. I knew it. Don't do that shit, Rob. What up, hey? Hey, I say we better.
That joint crazy, ain't it? I know it's Mopar game, but that joint crazy right there. I'm still taking the cat though. I don't care how pretty it is. I'm still taking the cat. Mopar just got that.
What's that about? That's about what?
No, I said. You said well, how much is it?
Yeah, about
I'm gonna say 130 at the least.
30. And he got some power in him.
Yeah, for sure.
Stupid, man. What's wrong with him? What you gave him? Yo, gang, I lost my keys.
Oh, they over there cutting up. We finna get kicked up out of here now. It's over with. We sure gonna get kicked out now.
Yeah.
You said it's a boy?
Yeah, it's a boy.
It's a boy.
Motherfuckers do be on that now.
We don't know. That's a gender reveal. I don't know what it is. It's great. It's great. I don't know if it's a boy, girl, he, she, male. I don't know what it was.
He said he had to go, so he gonna fuck it up for everybody else.
Yeah, that's how it be. For real, for real.
Go ahead, do your thing, do your thing. Oh, hold on, we 707. This boy be in that thing, man.
This is your boy be in that thing, man. It's crazy. So you Swervo then? Swervo 2 times then?
That's a hell of a video right there.
It's your boy Swervo. It's your boy Swervo 2 times.
Nah, but let me get in.
Y'all ass about to be hot. Swervo about to come out blacker than black.
Alright, gang, man. We about to get in traffic. So I'm about to turn this camera off because these boys out here riding. You already know how we coming. This is gonna be a wrap, man. Till the next video, gang. Mook in the V. Gone.